Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and do I have a surprise for you guys? As you can see in front of me, that's a Texas Star Outdoor Seafood Boil. That's the Cadillac of all seafood boil right there. Man, you're gonna need to get yourself one of those. That's the life of the party right there. But the surprise is right there. Guess what's in that ice chest? Nope, it's not crawfish. Well, crawfish is around, but it's about $4.50 to $6 a pound live right now. But very soon we're gonna be boiling some crawfish. But in this ice chest, guess what it is? Yes, indeed. We got this #1 size crab all the way from Houma, Louisiana. Yes, indeed. They are live. They just kind of chill right now, you know. They're chilling right now. Look at those baby. Woo. Man, we're about to boil some live crab. Man, it's been a while. Can't wait. So stick around. Man, look at the size of those crab. Let's see. Shit. Dude, chill out. Chill. Look at that. Ooh, woo. Look at the claws. Look at the size of that claw. Man. Say hello to everybody. I'm gonna name him Gumbo. You know, like seafood gumbo. Yes, indeed. Look at the size of that one. Man. That's gonna be some good eating. That's a nice size claw too. Yeah, they're all chilled out right now. He and his buddy right now. There you go, crab boil. Yes, indeed. Gonna give them a nice bath. Put in some bay leaves. Some crab boil seasoning. This right here. Oh yeah. Get in there. Some hot sauce. Get them all in there. Give them a nice hot bath. Alright, now we're done. Get this crab in there. Gotta give it a nice stir. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Look at that monster. Look at the claws on that thing. Yep, time to give you a bath. Nice hot bath. Get in there, boy. Yes, indeed. That thing is feisty, but look at the claws on that thing. Man. Woo. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at this right there. Ooh, look at that. Yes, indeed. #1 size crab. They are fat. And they are ready to go. Give them a nice hot bath. Yes, sir. Look at that. Acrobatic. Mr. Krabby. Cliffhanger. Oh man. See that? If the back is dirty, oh, you know he's fat. He's a keeper right there. Yeah, boy. Join your buddy. Oh my God, this is a huge one. Look at this, it's a monster. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Gonna be some good eating. Get in there. All right, guys. So I just put in 5 dozen of those jumbo crab. Got them from Houma, Louisiana. I'm ready to crank up the burner and cook this thing up. Or boil them. Can't wait, man. But there you have it, guys. 5 dozen of the jumbo crab. She's ready to go. That furnace on a full blast. And I'm rocking with the Texas style outdoor seafood boiler. Made in the USA. Get you some. Went one end of the way, man. There's some good stuff right here. You want to get yourself a solid, rock solid seafood boiler? Get yourself one of this. This is the Cadillac of all seafood boiler. Sturdy, reliable, and best of all, it's made in the USA. Texas to be exact. That's some good stuff. Man, can't wait. You know what's the neat thing about I like about this seafood boiler from Texas Style Outdoor? Not only is the lid, but you know, you can also add seasoning without having to open up the lid with this little top on top. Look how neat that is. See that? Enough for you to add your drop in the seasoning. Cool, what? I like that. And I tell you, man, they thought of everything. See that? I'm gonna just pour in the crab boil seasoning. All of it. Oh yeah. And when you're done, just pop the lid, little lid back in. How neat is that? And when you're ready to go, the lid also serves as a chute where you can dump everything straight down to your ice chest. Great idea, huh? Awesome. You see those Louisiana blue crab? I'm giving them a Cajun herbal bath. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Awesome. Yes, sir. Man, smells good. Man, look at that. Man, I wish you guys were here. Smells amazing. Cajun herbal bath. Come get you some. Really good. I'm so ready for this. Y'all hungry? Oh, by the way, the Tigers boiled crab. Come get you some. Texas Star Outdoor. Remember that name. That's some good stuff right there. Show you guys. Jumbo crab. Got this at the dock in Houma, Louisiana. Look at that, man. Does that look good or what? It's getting all foggy up. See how easy that was? You're not gonna just dump the basket, but that would just pretty much break off all the claws from the crab. So it's best is just to take out the basket and take them out one by one. Man, that smells good. Actually, it smells amazing. See how easy that was? Look at the basket. What do you think of this crab, baby?
It's beautiful.
Chưa bao giờ cái con to như thế.
I know, it's so big. Actually, this is size number 1, right?
Yeah, jumbo crab.
Fresh from the dock.
Cái này mới hay.
Straight from the dock.
Cái càng nó còn nguyên sao.
Yeah, very good.
Now this is what you call FOB, fresh off the boat. Yes, indeed.
Nhiều quá mà. Gọi mà hàng qua ăn nó
60 con.
5 dozen.
To church. Oh, this is huge.
Geez, look at the claws on that thing.
Huge.
Ooh, look at that one. Oh, yes.
No, this one.
Oh, man. Oh, he's healthy.
This one too.
All male.
Này 100 bạc mà ngó là bắt mất.
Yeah, I would prefer a couple of female. Yeah.
No, I think
We
this
like
is,
them females.
No, I think this is season. You cannot.
Yeah.
You cannot.
Hả?
Man.
Tới nhà hôm trước mới
Look
chạy
at
xuống như này.
Nhưng mà sao?
Là 1 tiếng hồ nữa.
Rồi lại
Look
ngược
at
trở
that.
lại cho ông Thiên về.
Là ông Thiên về.
Ông đang làm gì mà ông đi với anh được vậy?
Cái thằng đó nó có building đó. Ông Sơn trưởng building của nó. Ông làm nên nó. Thằng qua chợ.
Yes, indeed.
Oh my God, this one is
Giàu lắm em.
so heavy.
Xong rồi nó
You know what? When he's dirty, that means he's fat. You know that? If he's dirty, you know he's fat. Yeah. I like it dirty.
Get out of the tray.
That's how I like my crab. All hot and dirty. That's what she said.
Spicy.
Good.
Spicy.
Cái này chấm cái